Big John, Big John.
All right, good morning, everybody. It is Tuesday, and it's a little chilly out. I'm gonna need a jacket, but we're going over to Dad's. He got finished with that stuff we did yesterday, and I gotta go turn the guidance and change that all around, get him started in another field. And I've got that, and we're gonna try and play around with it for a little bit. All right, back to lane here. This is the neighbor's. This is strip-tilled, but this is what I had Dad doing last night. Yesterday, brought Bertha over, and there's his house. So yeah, I brought Bertha over here, and we did some inline ripping. And that ground was hard. Not quite as hard as my place, but she's tight. But it looks like it did a really good job. We got some clods, but I think we're just going to leave this lay till spring and let this weather down and see what it looks like, and maybe run the vertical till across it. I don't know. It looks kind of messed up, but then we'll get the disc chisel out and go across it with that. But I'm thinking after it mellows out all winter, freeze-thaw cycle, we can just hit it with the vertical till. Now this corner up here lays wet, and it's packed because everything comes in and out of the field right here. But this looks like it worked up really good. Dad said he didn't have no trouble either. So yeah, looks good. We're gonna go across the road and start into that bean ground, what was bean ground over there, and get him going, and we'll see what happens. Dad called me last night when I was on the way to work, and we were talking about how it went. We can see some wear. Dirt's dry and hard. Wearing them points down. Still looks all right. He said he couldn't get the gas cap open. He wondered if I locked it, so I don't think I did. No. All right, so did he get it filled up? Nope. So we'll put some fuel in it. I'm gonna start it so she warms up. All kinds of stuff. Engine, service interval stuff. Hang on, you might vibrate. Well, that was short-lived. We probably went 200 yards down the field on the first pass, and we hit a big one underneath there somewhere. It didn't come up, but it busted a shear bolt. And do you think there's any shear bolts in there where the manuals and stuff are? You'd think they'd give you a couple shear bolts for shits and giggles when you spend that kind of money, but nope. So I made a call to Bowling Green. They got some, so Dad's going to run to Bowling Green, pick up 5 shear bolts, and he's going to get back after her. I'm going to go home, and I don't know if I'm going to cut some wood or go to bed and cut some wood tonight when I get up. I think I'm going to go to bed and get up this afternoon. I'll cut some wood and split some firewood. All right, I'm back. I had the original battery that came with this GoPro in it, and it don't last very long. Plus it's cold out, so that saps the energy out of them. And I must just be too long-winded. I don't know, leave me a comment. Am I too long-winded? Do I talk too much? Anyway, he's gonna go get shear bolts. I am gonna get my log splitter, and I'm gonna take it over to Kevin and say, here, get this thing running, because I messed with it the other day. I got it running, and it just shut off. So I don't know if it sheared the flywheel key or something like that, but I'm not messing with it. So I'm going to take that over to Kevin's. Then I'm going to go home, get some sleep, and we'll go from there. Well, okay. Dad went after parts. He's probably back together and running. He hasn't called me, but it was time to do something. So yeah, believe it or not, November 22nd, and we put the cover on the pool. So yeah, it was nice and calm when we started. As you can see now, there's a bit of a breeze, and I was surprised that there's probably an inch of ice in the thing. Yeah, I smacked on it and it didn't go anywhere. Probably an inch of ice. Anyway, I think I'm going to bed. Get up this afternoon and get some wood cut. Check on Dad. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you on the next one.